Hello children, I hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family members. Our today's topic is also about the family members. A family is a group of people related to each other. We call each of our family member by a respectful manner. We are staying at home with a family and all those members are called family members. Father and mother together are called parents. Grandfather and grandmother together are called grandparents. So, we have so many relations in a family. We have different relations with different members of our family. So, let us study few of the relations. Your father's parents and your mother's parents are called grandparents. Grandfather. Grandfather is the father of your mother or father. Next is grandmother. Grandmother is the mother of your mother or father. Next is uncle. Uncle is the brother of your mother or father. Means your father's brother is your uncle and your mother's brother is also your uncle. Next is aunt. Many of you call auntie. Aunt is the sister of your mother or father. Means your father's sister is your aunt and your mother's sister is also your aunt. Your uncle's wife is also your aunt. Your uncle's children are your cousins. Listen carefully, children. Your uncle's children are your cousins and your auntie's children are also your cousins. Children, we learn so many things from each member of the family. So, we should love, obey and respect each member of the family. We are going to enjoy a new story named The Mystery Bird. Mystery means something difficult or impossible to understand. Through this story, you will understand how our family members can do anything for help us when we are in difficult situation. So, we should respect and love and always be ready to help them whenever needed. Before going to the story, we'll see the picture. Observe this picture carefully. We can see here a beautiful bird. It's flying along with 6 persons. It is impossible thing. So, because of this reason, the bird has given the name Mystery Bird. In this story, there is a bird and 6 persons. Bubbly is a girl. Her sister, cousin, mother, father and grandmother. Now we'll start the story. The Mystery Bird. Let us read the story of the Mystery Bird and Bubbly. Bubbly was a little girl. She lived with her family in a beautiful village. She loved to read, play and spend time with her family. She loved her mother and helped her with cooking and cleaning. Children, Bubbly is a very good girl. She is not only doing study but also helping her mother in daily work like cleaning and cooking. Do you help your mother? I think many of you must be helping. You can help your mother to clean the room and floor. You can fold clothes, take care of your younger brother or sister. You can help your mother to keep the things in proper places. This kind of small work you all can do easily. That will be the big help to your mother. Now we'll see What happened one day with Bubbly? One day, mother brought home a beautiful bird. Bubbly loved birds. She took the bird outside and opened the cage to give it food. Children, they have kept a bird in a cage. It is not a good thing which is done by Bubbly's family. Some people like to keep parrots, colorful birds in cage and don't let them fly. But it is not allowed. Trees are their homes and they are happy when they live on trees. So they should not be kept in cage. Children, before lockdown, we all were going to school, market, garden, wherever we want to go, we used to go. But now though we want to go, we can't go. The same way birds feel in the cage. In story, what happened one day? Bubbly's mother brought a beautiful bird at home. Bubbly loved birds, so she took the cage outside and opened it to feed the bird. Now we'll see what happened next. Flapping away the beautiful, most colorful bird took a flight. Bubbly caught on to its foot. Whoa! The bird flew further up. And where was Bubbly? She was right under the bird, hanging. Bubbly cried, "Somebody help me! The mystery bird is flying away and taking me along with it." Children, flapping is a new word. Flapping means preparing to fly or getting ready to fly. Here, Bubbly opened the cage. The bird was getting ready to fly instead of eating food. As soon as Bubbly came to know that bird is flying, she wanted to stop her. So she caught its foot. But bird flew further up and Bubbly still caught her foot. She did not leave it. Bird started flying and Bubbly was right under the bird, hanging. Now she was in a difficult situation. So she cried, "Somebody help me! The mystery bird is flying away and taking me along with it." See this picture. Hearing Bubbly scream, her sister came out running to help her. Her sister caught Bubbly's feet to pull her down. But lo, she too went up flying with the bird. Bubbly's sister shouted in fear, "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Hearing the screams, Bubbly's cousin came out rushing to help them. Children, here scream word is a new word. Scream means shout loudly. Bubbly's sister heard her screaming. She came out running to help her. Her sister caught Bubbly's feet to pull her down. But no use of that because she too went up flying with the bird. So Bubbly's sister shouted in fear, "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Then Bubbly's cousin came to help both of them and he caught her leg tightly and pulled them down. But he too started flying with it. Children, the plural of foot is feet. Now cousin screamed, "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Bubbly's mother came out to help them. She hold of the leg of her nephew and tried to pull them down. Now here, mother also started flying along with the mystery bird. She was scared and shouted. Scared means fearful or frightened. Mother also shouted, "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Now we'll read the next part of the story. Hearing his wife screaming, Bubbly's father came out running. He quickly caught hold of her legs and tried to pull them down. Lo, he too went up along with all of them. Then he shouted for help. "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Hearing her son's screams, Bubbly's grandmother came out to help them. She held her son's leg tightly and tried to pull them down. Children, now hearing wife screaming, Bubbly's father came out running. Bubbly's father tried to pull them down, but he too went up along with all of them. Then he shouted for help. "Someone please help us! The mystery bird is flying away and us along with it." Bubbly's grandmother came to help them. She held son's leg tightly and tried to pull them down. She too started flying with the bird. Now, till here, who all are flying with the mystery bird? Yes, Bubbly, sister, cousin, mother, father, and now grandmother. Okay. Grandmother shouted. Now, at the end, after joining all family members, the bird felt weight in its legs. So, it shook the leg and all came crashing down. Crash means sudden loud noise. The mystery bird flew away. Here we have seen everyone was ready to help each other. So this was the story. Actually, a bird cannot fly with humans because they are small. I would like to show you a video of a bird in which you will understand how do birds fly. Let's enjoy it.
Oh. Hmm.
Thank you. Take care.